Deep within you lies a sleeping giant, a force so powerful that it can transform your life in ways you never imagined. This is a reservoir of untapped potential waiting to be unleashed, a wellspring of energy and creativity that can propel you forward. This is your inner power, the force that can propel you towards your wildest dreams, turning the impossible into the possible. Yet many people live their lives unaware of this power, feeling stuck and unfulfilled, trapped in a cycle of routine and mediocrity. They settle for mediocrity, believing that extraordinary achievements are reserved for a select few, never realizing that they too can reach for the stars. But here's the truth. Greatness is not a gift, it's a choice. It's a decision to push beyond your limits and strive for excellence. You have the power within you to achieve anything you set your mind to. The potential to create, to innovate, and to excel is already inside you. The first step is acknowledging this power, believing in your ability to create the life you desire and taking action towards your goals. It's time to stop underestimating yourself and embrace the incredible potential that resides within. Break free from the chains of doubt and fear. Remember, the only limits in your life are the ones you create. Roy T. Bennett. Your mindset shapes your reality. You were born to achieve incredible things, to make a difference, and to leave a lasting impact on the world. The power to change your life, to reach new heights, lies dormant within you, waiting for you to awaken it. Embrace it and let it guide you to greatness. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more powerful insights and tools to transform your life. Why do so many people feel trapped, unable to break free from their limitations? It's a question that resonates deeply with many of us. It often stems from a lack of self-belief, a pervasive doubt that clouds our judgment and stifles our potential. We tell ourselves stories about who we are and what we're capable of, often limiting our own potential. These narratives become ingrained, shaping our actions and decisions. These limiting beliefs become self-fulfilling prophecies, holding us back from pursuing our dreams. They create invisible barriers that seem insurmountable. To unleash your inner power, you must first identify and challenge these limiting beliefs. This requires introspection and a willingness to confront uncomfortable truths. Are you telling yourself you're not smart enough, talented enough, or strong enough? These thoughts are often deeply rooted in past experiences and societal expectations. Recognize these thoughts for what they are. Simply untrue stories you've been telling yourself. They are not facts, but perceptions that can be changed. Replace them with empowering beliefs. Start by affirming your strengths and acknowledging your achievements, no matter how small they may seem. Remember, whether you think you can or you think you can't, you're right. Henry Ford. This powerful statement underscores the importance of mindset. Believe in yourself, in your ability to overcome challenges and achieve your goals. This belief is the foundation of all success. This shift in mindset is crucial for unleashing your inner power and creating the life you desire. Embrace it and watch as new possibilities unfold before you. Once you've embraced your inner power and challenged your limiting beliefs, it's time to set clear goals. These goals will serve as your roadmap, guiding you towards the life you envision. What do you want to achieve? Take a moment to reflect deeply on your aspirations. What kind of life do you want to create for yourself? Visualize it vividly, down to the smallest details. Your goals should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. This clarity will help you stay focused and motivated. With clear goals in place, consistent action is key. It's not enough to just set goals, you must actively work towards them. Break down your goals into smaller, manageable steps and commit to taking daily action towards their attainment. Each small step brings you closer to your ultimate goal. Remember, success is the sum of small efforts repeated day in and day out. Robert Collier. Let this quote inspire you to keep moving forward. Don't get discouraged by the enormity of your goals. Every great achievement starts with a single step. Focus on taking consistent action, no matter how small, and you'll be amazed at the progress you make. Celebrate each milestone along the way. Consistency is the key to unlocking your potential and turning your dreams into reality. Stay committed, stay focused, and watch your dreams unfold. Conquering the inner critic. As you embark on your journey of personal transformation, you're bound to encounter obstacles. Fear, doubt, and negative self-talk can creep in, threatening to derail your progress. This is where mastering your inner critic is essential. Recognize that these negative thoughts are not the truth, but simply roadblocks that you can choose to overcome. Acknowledge them, challenge their validity, and replace them with positive affirmations. Remember, you are stronger than your fears, as someone wisely said. Cultivate a positive inner dialogue, focus on your strengths, and celebrate your successes. Surround yourself with supportive people who believe in your dreams and encourage your growth. Remember, you have the power to choose your thoughts and shape your reality. Unleash your potential. Awaken to the incredible power that resides within you. You have the ability to achieve anything you set your mind to. Embrace your potential, set clear goals, and take consistent action towards their attainment. Don't let fear or self-doubt hold you back. Remember, the only way to do great work is to love what you do, as Steve Jobs once said. Find your passion, pursue it with unwavering determination, and never give up on your dreams. The world is waiting for you to unleash the incredible power within. Take the first step today. What will you achieve? Subscribe to our channel for more inspiration and tips on unlocking your true potential. Start your journey now.